Hello and welcome everyone to the video series of QTCAD project. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step guide on installing QTCAD, your ultimate tool for advanced semiconductor and quantum technology research. Let's start. Software requirement for QTCAD. QTCAD rely on Python and specific Python library to function effectively. Miniconda simplify managing the dependency by providing a lightweight environment for Python installation and package management. The first step is install Miniconda. Download Miniconda from its official website according to your operating system. Let's move to the Chrome and download Miniconda. Open the Chrome, type install Miniconda. Click on the first website. Move to the below section of website and here you can see to download the different version. Click it and here you can find a repo link. Click according to your operating system. Download the Miniconda latest version. My system is Windows. Here is Miniconda latest Windows version. Download it. Let's see what is the second point in the installation of Miniconda. The second step is install Miniconda. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Ensure initialize Miniconda. Open File Explorer and download the Miniconda. In download section, Miniconda. Double click, next, agree. According to your destination folder, the path, install, next, finish. Let's see what is the third step after the installation of Miniconda. Third step is verify installation. Open a terminal or command prompt and run conda version command to confirm the installation. Let's open the command prompt and run the command. Open command prompt, type conda version. Here we can see the version of conda. It means our mini conda is successfully installed. Let's move to the second step after the installation of Miniconda and verify the installation. The second step is update the Conda and install libmamba. First, we have to update the Conda with this command conda update nbase conda and install libmamba with these commands. libmamba is a faster dependency solver for conda. It can significantly speed up QTCAD installation. libmamba can be installed and set as a default dependency solver in your base environment. Let's move to the command prompt and run these commands. Type conda update and base conda. Type y to proceed further. Let's install the libmamba with command type conda install and base conda libmamba solver. Enter. Type Y to proceed further. We successfully installed the libmamba. Let's see what is the third step. After updating the conda and install the libmamba, now is the third step where we have to create QTCAD environment. First, we have to create an environment name with QTCAD. Command is conda create name QTCAD with Python version. After that, we have to activate the environment. Let's open the command prompt and run this command. Type Honda, create, name QTCAD, type Python version 3.8 and enter. Type Y to proceed further. It successfully create a QTCAD environment. Now it's time to activate the QTCAD environment. Type command conda activate QTCAD. From this environment, now we switch to the QTCAD environment. After the create the QTCAD environment and activate the QTCAD environment, let's see what is the next point. The fourth step is download QTCAD. First, we have to visit the Nano Academy client portal, log in or create an account. After that, first we have to complete your profile and access the product section. After that, select QTCAD in product section and start your free trial and download the license file and QTCAD software zip file. Let's move to the Chrome and type nanoacademy.com. Type nanoacademy.com and enter. Go to the below section of the web page. Here you can see log into the user portal. Click I already create an account at Nano Academy user portal. If you are a new user, create a new account. Go to sign up page and enter your email and create a password. After that, sign up. A confirm mail will come to your email ID. Confirm it and sign in again. We already create an account. Let's sign in. First, you have to complete profile for access of product. Enter your detail and update. Come to the product section, then QTCAD. Click on Start your free trial. Download the license file and QTCAD zip file. Download the latest one zip file. They are all downloaded started. After the installation of license file, software zip file, let's see what is the next step. Next step is set up the license file. Store the license file at C drive, then user, your username, create a .nanoacademy folder, then QTCAD folder, then place the license file or set the environment variable. I recommend first one, placing the license. Now extend the QTCAD zip file to a specific location. Let's move to the file explorer and place the license. Cut the license file and place in C drive, then user, then your username, then create a new folder with .nanoacademic .nanoacademic. Open the folder and nanoacademic folder. Create QTCAD folder and place the license here. Here you can see first in C drive, then user, then your username and .nanoacademy folder. Then create a QTCAD folder. Then place the license here. After placing the license file, now it's time to unzip the QTCAD software zip file. Click on QTCAD, click on right click of mouse, then extract all, browse. I place in C drive, select extract, take some time. Here you can see our zip file activity here in C drive, QTCAD. Here you can see. Next step is to configure VS Code. VS Code is the ID for QTCAD. First step is install Visual Studio Code from its official website according to your operating system. Open the Chrome, type VS Code, click on download. According to your operating system, download the VS. Click on the folder icon, double click, click on the ISM document, then next, then next, next. Click on create a desktop icon, install, finish. After the installation of VS Code, let's see what is the next step. After the installation of VS Code, now it's time to install the Python extension. Open the VS Code and go to the extension section and search for Python extension and install it. Let's open the VS Code. Open. Go to the extension section and install the Python by Microsoft. Install it. Our Python extension installed successfully. Let's see what is the next step after the installation of Python extension. The next step is set up the Python interpreter. Open QTCAD folder in VS Code and use the command palette with command Ctrl Shift P to select the interpreter. Choose the Python interpreter from the QTCAD environment. Let's open the VS Code. Open the QTCAD folder in C drive, QTCAD. Then select the interpreter with command Ctrl Shift P. Select the interpreter. Here you can see Python select interpreter. Click. Here is a list of environment we created in Miniconda with Python version 3.8 with name QTCAD. Select it. Let's see what is the next step. After the adding Python extension and select the interpreter, now it's time to install QTCAD. First step is open a terminal in VS Code, then navigate the QTCAD unzip file directory by command cd and then installation path QTCAD. Let's open VS Code. Open a new terminal. Here QTCAD environment is activated. Let's deactivate first. Command conda deactivate. From QTCAD environment, switch to the base environment. Now copy the path of the file. Copy the unzipped directory file path. Here already is open the file. No need to run this command. Let's see what is the next step. After the navigating the installation directory, now it's time to create the virtual environment with command conda environment update that QTCAD win YML file. Type conda environment update QTCAD win y enter. After update the virtual environment, let's see what is the next point. Activate the environment with command conda activate QTCAD and install the package with command pip install. Open the VS Code. Type conda activate QTCAD Switch tool from base environment to QTCAD environment. Install the PIP packages. Install space dot enter. PIP installed successfully. After the PIP install, let's see what is the next point. Next step is test the installation. Open the nanowire Python file in QTCAD folder from QTCAD folder. Run the file in terminal. First we have to generate geometry file by running this command. After that, run the nanowire Python file and verify the software runs successfully. Let's open the VS Code. In example, then tutorial. Open nanowire Python file. Create a new terminal. Type gmsh example tutorial message nanowire dot gopy. Enter. To show the geometry of nanowire, let's close and run the Python file. Run Python file. Let's load the mesh file of nanowire. Some poison iteration happen. Create electric potential. Band diagram. Over density. Ground state. First excited state. Second excited state. It means our QTCAD installed successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, comment below or contact us this email. And I attach a PDF file in description where all installation procedure is given and some important links.